So you play big. Hey guys, welcome back to that cooking recipe. Some callaloo soup. So these are my ingredients: pumpkin Irish, carrot, corn, chocho, cock soup, scallion, cabbage, lettuce, butter. We have some pigtail and chicken foot. See callaloo right here. Remember callaloo soup. Jamaican cooking, lumberjack. Please watch the video to the end, like and share. So I'm going to show you step by step how I prepare my recipe, right? So starting by add some water. Starting by add some vinegar to the meat water there. Cut to the raw. Chat, bubble down and cook your rice properly. If I know, yes, remember Jamaican cooking, lumberjack. Yeah, chat. Remember say dumpling can't wash up, so you can put the dumpling in the pot anytime you want water boil. Chat. So recipe are nice. I got some spicy callaloo soup. So big tail them they are cooked there. Some more of them fatty, you see. I not cut the fat off of them. So may I say, yeah, some pumpkin pretty and rich. My soup color pretty already. But Jamaican cooking, lumberjack. Make it go and simmer. Alright? Yeah, step by step now show you chat. Yeah, chat. I got add my chocho, I'm Irish, and go and bubble down. Yeah, the recipe I got tasteable, drinkable, delicious. Alright, chat. I go and bubble. Alright, chat. I add some green season, blend season to it. Add some greens blend season, taste and flavor. I'll add 2 spoons chat. Yeah, chat, going in the green season now, chat. Yeah. Butter. You have a little Maggi, taste and flavor. Taste and flavor, everything combined together. Preserve, taste and flavor. And put the cock soup. I'm not strain the cock soup. Remember Jamaican cooking lumber jack. Stir in my pot now. Yeah guys, make it go and simmer you now. Remember Callaloo soup in guys. It's going to bubble down for the next 25 minutes. Most of the season will well cook out and thing. Yeah, you can see I go on recipe delicious. Big tail and cook and ready. I'm chicken foot and cook and ready there. All I'm spice them and thing. Remember Jamaican cooking, remember jack. You may go taste if you want some salt. Here chat. Soup color rich and pretty. Remember Jamaican cooking. You know something cooking down and to simmer down. I never had my vegetable. Callaloo soup. Bah. Thing it done, just a come. Like and share. That go and simmer now chat. Remember guys, Callaloo soup, pigtail and mix with vegetable and chicken foot. The recipe I got nice man. Cabbage and lettuce. Callaloo soup I got delicious. Alright guys, make that go and bubble down now. Yeah, Callaloo soup ready now. Yeah, chat Callaloo soup ready now. Yes, the oil, spice and ready like a Freddy. Yeah. You know, say it's a big bowl more want for drink and chat. Chicken foot down and mash up. Chicken foot a left for bone. Soup color rich and thick up. Lettuce mash out, cabbage mash out, Callaloo. Fat pigtail. Yeah, chat Callaloo soup ready and now. Yeah, chat one big bowl more for drinking and chat. Callaloo soup ready man. Some fat on my pigtail. Ready. Lettuce mash out cabbage there. Yes, chat, see soup there. Rich up and thick up. Baby in a back. Yeah, chat, see there. Callaloo soup ready and now. Fat pigtail, yeah. Recipe, remember Jamaican cooking with lumberjack, like and share. Callaloo soup ready, like ready. Yeah. And when the nice ladies them they could have the bone mash out to share the soup and one big bone I share, you know. Chat right over there, hungry chat, man, I tell no lie. Yo, man, tell a star, yo, big up my fans them, man. Big up on yourself, big up on yourself. You know yourself, you know. Alright. Callaloo soup ready, you know. And I crib, you know. I'm hungry, just sit with me here. Yeah, food I can eat to see, man. And I go to me empty the pot and go back in the pot again. Put the bodies up, I go and go back in here to see. Yeah, chat. I'm back in the pot.